guys that. Which was pretty crazy, bro. Yeah, bro. That was awesome, bro. W's in the chat, okay? How was the last firework aside? Look how much this. Oh, goes. Wow, bro. The drones are going bye-bye. Yeah, bro. Those are gonna go. God bless you, bro. Okay, that's a receiving place. There's also free ice cream all the way over there. And watermelon. You see that little picnic table that we had with the picnic stuff? We already ate, that's why.
Is there a flashlight on?
No, but, Well, now guys, that was a big one, but that's somebody else.